Welcome to Rockstar Massage. I'm your host, Leia Lockheart, and welcome to Skinny Secrets, Part 3.
Sheriff, he's over here. God.
In this video, we will discuss what time to eat and intermittent fasting. We will use the 9 to 5 time schedule in this example. However, depending on your specific schedule, you can shift the times forwards or backwards. This is the schedule of skinny people. Between 6 and 7 a.m., you awaken and eat breakfast at that time. 10 a.m. is a mid-morning snack. 12 noon to 1, lunch. 3 p.m. afternoon snack. 6 p.m. dinner through 7 p.m. and no more eating after 7 p.m. The premise of this eating schedule is that eating every 2 to 3 hours, you should be hungry, meaning your portions are small and should be giving you enough energy for those 2 to 3 hours. The food has digested fully during these times, so hunger pangs should be just about in your awareness. The point is to have sustainable and even energy levels and not huge spikes. For example, if you've been sticking to the original way we were taught how to eat, you would have breakfast between 6 and 7 a.m. and then 5 to 6 hours later, you would have lunch at 12 to noon. And then dinner from 6 to 7, that's another 6 hours. Like, no wonder you're just plummeting in energy levels. No wonder you're overeating because you're trying to eat enough food to last you for 6 hours. You eat more food to sustain the 5 to 6 hours to your next meal, which means you eat more food and your digestive system has been totally overloaded. Therefore, your body wants to stop and just digest. By the time you get to dinner, you're completely ravished. You want to eat everything. You make poor choices like getting fast food because you're just wanting to eat as soon as possible. Yeah, but Leia, I don't have time to incorporate the extra snacks into my work day. Oh, yes, you do. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is the skill the skinniest of my friends utilize, and so do I. Based on the timeline eating schedule I just laid out, you stopped eating at 7 p.m. and began eating at 7 a.m. That is 12 hours of fasting. You ate breakfast, break, fast. You broke the fast. During that time you were sleeping, you were hungry but dead asleep, so your body used your stored fat to keep you alive. Your body was in fat burning mode. The idea is to extend that time to continue to engage the fat burning mode. So here's how to do it. Extend not eating from 12 hours to 14 or 16 hours. Then start eating on the schedule. That means on the 14-hour schedule, skip breakfast. On the 16-hour schedule, don't eat until lunch. But you must stick to the schedule. Do not increase the meal size or the calories. Here's the pro tip. Skinny people stay skinny through self-regulating, meaning if you overate one day, the next day you restrict to balance out the calorie intake. So you overeat and you add fat to your body, and then you restrict and have your body feed off the fat. Calories are cumulative. So if you go out to eat for a date night and you ate rich food, or went to a holiday party, or just had a shitty day and you ate all your emotions, the next day do intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting saves you from defeat. You may have to do it for 3 days to get back to your normal weight, but it's there when you need it. Intermittent fasting will always be there to save you. The best part of intermittent fasting is you're eating nothing. Therefore, you're doing nothing. But Leia, when I go into starvation mode and everything I eat turn into fat? The answer is not likely. It's kind of a myth. In fact, some studies indicate increased basal metabolic rate. Look it up. But Leia, if I starve myself, will my body feed off the muscle? That answer is not likely. Some studies suggest leaner individuals may be at a higher risk of lean body mass loss. However, it's less of a concern for overweight subjects. During the fast, you're allowed to drink water, black coffee, or tea. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Rockstar Massage. Here's a photo of me when I was 19, my first official modeling headshots. Just to prove to you that I too have been in your position. And here's Waffle, my little chubby boy. Thank you so much for watching, and look out for part 4.